Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my Hibachi grilled miso chicken. Okay, really nice and easy. Teaspoon of miso paste with a little bit of water, and that goes into a bowl. Around about 3 tablespoons worth of tamari soy, and we're going to add in a little bit of rice wine as well. Okay, we're going to just give that a bit of a stir through, just like that, and a little bit of vegetable oil. That's going to be our marinade for our miso chicken. Alright, let's make our sauce. So I've got my light miso here, and I'm going to add in around about 2 tablespoons worth of that into a saucepan, just like I am doing right there. Now I'm also going to add in a little bit of sake, about 1/3 of a cup, and that's a cloudy sake, and the same again of some mirin that can go into our saucepan as well. Okay, and I'm going to add in around about 3 to 4 tablespoons worth of oyster sauce. It's going to give us that beautiful umami type flavor to this sauce, and around about 1/3 of a cup again of some tamari soy. Now all we have to do now is get our chicken thighs, and when they do a chicken thigh, there's always a little thicker piece at either end, and what we want to do is get rid of any hard fats, and we're going to just get our knife and make sure the chicken thigh is an equivalent size all the way through. So we make maybe a couple of slices or little slits through the thicker pieces, just to even out the size of our thighs. Alright, I'm going to put those into our marinade. We're going to give those a really good toss through and get everything coated, and I'm going to leave those for at least 30 minutes, preferably around about an hour to maybe 2 hours to get that flavor in. Now we've put our saucepan onto a hot plate. We're going to stir that through just like I'm doing right there, and we're just going to let that thing simmer away until it starts to thicken up. So stir from time to time, make sure our miso is getting incorporated into our sauce, and a little bit of time later we'll end up with a slightly thicker syrupy type sauce, just like that. Alright, we're going to use that as a glaze, and we'll brush that over the chicken as we go. Here I've got some charcoal in my homemade hibachi that I built like 20 years ago out of an LPG gas bottle. I've got some redgum charcoal here. I'm just going to get that ignited and get all of that happening and nice and happy and nice and hot, and all we have to do now is, once that is done, we can put our chicken straight over the top. Now I'm going to cook these off for around about 8 to 10 minutes per side, and in between I'm going to brush a little bit of that marinade over the top of those chicken thighs. Alright, and if you haven't had chicken on hot coals before, you don't know what you're missing. The flavour is amazing. Alright, now due to my MS, I forgot to film brushing that marinade over, but this is the end result. We've got this amazing chicken already cooked up. I'll put that marinade back onto the hot plate again, boil it up, get it up to at least 100 degrees to kill off any impurities that might have got through from brushing our little bit of marinade over the top, and that has thickened up substantially, and all we have to do now is pour a little bit of that sauce over the top of our chicken, serve it up with rice, or in this case some fries and a little bit of salad, and how easy was that to do. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment, I love reading and I love responding to them. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make a really quick Japanese fusion meal like this, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Alright, off to eat my Hibachi grilled miso chicken, and I will catch you next time. Sorry for that. Alright, bye.